Our famous brand attribute exercise, one of the most famous...
In all the land.
I know what you're thinking. Every time we do a brand workshop, we get out the post-its and everyone groans. But believe me, by the time we're finished with this exercise I'm about to share with you, they are just as in love with post-its as I am. Today, I'm going to show you how to find your brand attributes and get from a sea of post-its to a beautiful poster that encapsulates your company's personality. Have you ever thought about the personality of your company? You should do, because alongside your why, your personality is the foundation of your brand. The aim of this exercise is to find 3 words that perfectly describe your company, and then use them as a shorthand for pretty much everything. Now, this process can take quite a long time, but the steps are really simple. Number 1, get all of your team, even the finance director, into a room with post-its. No groaning. 2, everyone writes down as many adjectives as they can think of to describe your company. It's helpful to think of the kind of words you might use to describe a friend. 3, now take it in turns to put your words up onto the wall, reading them out as you go. If you have the same or similar words, group them together. 4, time to start culling. Go easy and don't be tempted to skip ahead to your favorites. Start with the kind of words that are necessary to any business, like efficient or profitable. Then look at the words that are overused in your industry, or words that could be used by competitors. 5, whittle your way down to just 3 words, and voila! These are your brand attributes. Now, a few tips for getting this right. Don't rush. The conversations that come up in this process can be really valuable. Be open. Listen to what everyone has to say and trust that you will get there. Embrace contradiction. If you think about the most interesting people you know, they're normally the people that don't quite make sense. They have little quirks and contradictions in their character. Those same things are what will make your brand unique. So there you have it. Our famous brand attribute exercise, one of the most important tools we use, and I just gave it to you for free. Enjoy. My aim with this series is to give you tools and ideas that you can put into practice yourself. But if you want to go a little bit deeper and get some professional help, a great place to start is our one-day brand workshops. You can find all the information you need at lifesizemedia.com/workshops.